Hi everyone, Jacqueline here. I am at Walmart and they have the plants coming in now. A lot of perennials and the hostas are looking beautiful. Let me show you what they have. So the hostas are $9.98 and darn are they looking beautiful. Here we have sugar and spice. And some of these are turned backwards, so I'm just gonna spin them around. Wide brim. Blue angel, look at the blues on the blue angel. This is elegans. I planted some of those last year. I have a feeling I know which one this is, but I don't want to say it in case I'm wrong. Oh, this is guacamole. It looks so much like Sum and Substance. And we have here Francis William and Big Daddy. Big Daddy should be a really big hosta. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I bet you it's gonna be huge. These are good for zone 2 and up, but look at that. Let's just dig a little bit because they have more Big Daddies in here. Oh yeah, look at how nice those are. So I might be taking a Big Daddy home just because it is so gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. What else do we have down here? We have no name. Wait, Hosta. Jeez, tag's all messed up. This is stained glass. Elegans. More Big Daddies, a lot of Big Daddies. Guacamole, some of these are backwards, I can still read the tags. Glory, let's see what this one is. Paul's Glory. Up here on the top, we have a bunch of different ones here. Rainforest Sunrise, this is a little guy. Just little. We have, I'm gonna go to the other side actually, and I'll tell you the rest, but first I'm gonna share with you, well, I'm gonna have to go to the other side too, but I see some beautiful heucheras up there, or heucherellas, and I'll go around the other side so we can see this better because everything seems to be facing the other direction, although these daylilies are facing forward, so maybe I'll stop and do them. Chicago Apache, Moonlight Masquerade, Purple Dior, Ruby Stella. And the Ruby Stellas, well, all of these actually, Purple Dior and Ruby Stella are ever blooming. Stella Dior, which is a classic. Then they have Shasta Daisies here. Up here, more Stella Diors. Catherine Woodbury. Pardon Me, which is ever blooming. And then Bonanza. We have Sammy Russell. These are just regulars. Franz Hell, Stella, Chicago, Purple Dior, Ruby, and Summer Wine. Summer Wine looks really pretty. We have cannas up here, which is something I have been wanting to get. So I'm gonna have to look at these closely. But we have canna mango. Well, I think that says it right there, what needs to come into my garden is a canna mango. Let's see if I can find a better one though. This one doesn't look that great. I kind of like the name though. Oh, I don't want them too big yet. There we go. Oh, Canova mango, pardon me. That one doesn't look too bad. This is gonna get 2.5 to 4 feet. I think there's some bigger ones here and some dark maroon leafed ones. You can see right here. I'm gonna zoom out. Oh, look at this. Canna Lily Bronze Scarlet. Woo. Nice. Okay. From here you can see the calla lilies up there. They look good. It's hard to get at this stuff because they've got it all still wrapped. And then down at the bottom they've got the Asiatic lilies. A lot of lilies. And then we're getting into the Delosperma, and then of course your hens and chicks. Here we go, more cannas here. Let's see if I can find one. There's the bronze scarlet. What is this one? Oh, this is a calla. This is purple, coastal purple. Dianthus up here. Scabiosa down here. We have here Virginia, more daylilies. Hostas here, Big Daddy, Velvet Moon, and Guacamole. There's Velvet Moon. That's a new one. I'm seeing all sorts of perennials up here. Peonies down here, and these are usually just your standard peonies. But it looks like we have some of the Shirley Sorbet and Duchess de Nemours. My French isn't very good, so don't shoot me. Here's more daylilies, or here is more cannas. And you can see some cannas here on the ground that maybe are in better shape than the one I grabbed. Let me double check. The one I grabbed has a few nasty looking leaves, but one of these looks much better than the one I got. So we'll just quietly change it out. This one right here. Didn't really want red for a canna this year, but I mean, look at that. I want the foliage. I can always pick the flowers off if I don't like them. Have you ever heard a flower gardener pick flowers off because they don't like them? It's rare. Oh, we have lavender here, dianthus, more peonies. Here we're getting into astilbes, salvias. And you can see there. Here are callas and cannas. More lilies. There'd be a lot of cannas and callas. Daylilies, a lot of stellas, a lot of these standard plants. All right. Do I dare reach up and try to get one of these heucheras down? Yes, I do. I'm tall. Oh, looky, looky. Coral Bell's Big Top Caramel Apple. Oh my goodness. Oh my, look at that. She's a beauty. Now to plant these, you want to plant them in threes. So just a heads up. But isn't she stunning and so healthy? And they're out in the greenhouse here, so they're already climatized, which is wonderful. Let's see what else is up there. I'll just give you a look from here. And this is Carnival Cocoa Mint. And Zone 4. But look at that. Aren't they beautiful together? Like if you did an arrangement of them together, they're really nice. Okay, let's see what else we got. And this one is cinnamon stick. I'll put this one down so you can see it. Look at that. Next one is Rose Granita. It's still going, you guys. There's quite a few. Hope you can hear me. There's quite a few here. I think this is Fall Festival. This one's different. You can see the leaves are different. This is not good. Because somebody wants to shop. Ooh, I think I just poured it all over my head. Here's a really nifty one. Black Olive. All right. Take your pick which ones you like best. They are $12.98. One of each combined together would be absolutely beautiful. Look at that mix. Sunset Grooves. You can see the leaf kind of right there. That's Sunset Grooves. First Frost, that's been around a while. Sugar and Spice, that's a smaller one. Yellow River. You can see the leaf on Yellow River. And Rainforest Sunrise, really a small one. And then you can see more of the big ones. Like if you're gonna buy hostas and you want to add some to your garden, this is the perfect time because they're so darn healthy. Like look at this. And this one is wide brim. Now tell me that isn't a nice hosta. Now some plants aren't looking so great over here, but you know, the perennials will bounce back. So the yarrows here are all looking kind of sad. They're mixed yarrows, so what you get is what you get. The dianthus, smaller hens and chicks. You can see the poppies have had better days. Lavender's on the bottom. We're into the 4 for $12 of the different petunias. They got potato vines. Beautiful pansies. Marigolds. Creeping Jenny. Bacopia. This is Muhlenbeckia. I'll put that up there because I probably pronounced it wrong. And of course, we have our ivies. More pansies. Here are the peonies, Jules L, Shirley Sorbet, Bleeding Hearts, all sorts of different ferns. And there's Christmas tree, Hosta, Patriot, that wasn't over in the other area. Sedums, Lady in Red Fern, Ostrich, and Autumn Ferns. Splendens, Ajugas, Peonies, strawberry plants. Which ones are these? This is Fort Laramie. And now we have our shrubs down here. Looks like we're getting into some berry bushes. Saskatoons. Raspberries. Here's your honeysuckle vines. Not a bad price. Wisteria, which does not grow here in our climate. Up here, clematis. And this is, clematis. And this is taiga. And then they have juca. Some of them don't have a name on them. 9 barks. Lilacs, burning bushes. Oh, a tight aisle. Barberries. All kinds of barberries. Potentillas. More plants. Oh, all the shrubs are coming in. We'll go over and look at them. I'll give you a quick look at these containers. For shrubs, more barberries. Oops, there goes my cart. Rhododendrons, which don't grow here. Wichita blues grow really well here. Alberta spruces. So there's a real variety coming in. And now we're starting to see the trees. And this is Weeping Mulberry Standard fruiting. They're $69.98. And you can see here all the stuff starting to come in. So that kind of gives you a heads up for what's coming into the stores. And yeah, I've got stuff in my cart. Guilty as charged. So anyhow, just wanted to let you know what's out there. Oh, got more stuff here. Japanese willows, dogwoods, Diablo, 9 bark, smoke bushes, burning bush. Ooh, 9 bark center glow. That's a nice one. Look at this one. If it's anything like its picture, it's gonna be a beauty. Might have to come back for one of those. Oh, lilac primrose. Oh, nice. Look at that color. Zone 3. More lilacs. A lot of different lilacs. The Wygelia's there. I can't pronounce that. All right, here's your polished spirit and the different. Here's Taiga. Taiga's not for our zone. What I mentioned earlier, that's not the right one. This one's for our zone. It needs protection. Boysenberries, blackberries, grapes, dwarf cherries, black currants, ever-bearing strawberries. These are the ones you want in your garden because they go on. And more plants. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope there's some plants here that you like. Prices are decent. For those of you that don't shop at Walmart, I am so sorry, but there's some good stuff here, and I'm sure you'll find some stuff at other stores that you want because everything's coming in now. It's warming up. Bye, everybody.